Today, let's learn product photography for commercial and e-commerce photoshoot. This is a photo light box which looks like a black box. An assembled box which has opening on the top and front. You can open one side and you are ready to shoot. Place your product at the center. Here we have set of two LEDs on the top and a diffusion cloth. Here I have a dimmer for brightness control. You can close or open this for external light leaks. Now let's jump into camera settings. Let's take a test shot and see how it looks. It's an underexposed picture. Let's change autofocus to manual focus. With 1/100, let's take a picture. Now I am changing the camera settings. Now I am going to change the color temperature from 6800 to 2800. Let's change the metering mode to evaluate metering. Change the drive mode to self timer for 2 seconds. So it cuts the vibration of your click. I'm just playing with shutter speed and aperture. This is a light sensitometer which shows over and under exposures. Now move towards +1, one stop overexposure. Let's take a shot. Here we go. This is a properly exposed picture. Now let's increase the f-stop to 10 and decrease the shutter to 1/50. So my meter remains +1. Always keep an eye on meter. Let's take a shot. F-stop indicates depth of field. Check this chart. Understand the concept of depth of field. I am decreasing the shutter and increasing the aperture for f16. I recommend a tripod for product shoots. Here, as we said, again I am going with one stop higher exposure. Let's take a shot. I am taking every picture for one stop higher exposure. The reason behind it is, if we have one stop overexposure, we can decrease it. If there is no light, we cannot do anything. Make sure to check every detail after a click. These are the 5 shots in sequence. Now let's jump into Photoshop. Let's clean the dust particles to make it look like a commercial photo. Now let's erase this part. Just select this with rectangle tool and transform it. Ctrl T. That's it. This is another way using clone stamp tool. Shortcut S. Let's bring this aside and give space to titles. This is a rule of thirds concept. This is how it looks. Let's clean the dust particles. Make some time and clean all the dust particles. I'll show you a small example. Let's open Google. Open Sigma website. You can choose any brand like Canon, Nikon. Open Sigma website. Now we can see the same type of pictures on their website. Canon, Nikon. Let's take this as a reference and complete this tutorial. This is how it looks. I have shot some commercial shoots like this. Watch and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.